In this video, I will show you how to create transparent walls and glass walls in Sweeton 3D. To get started, let's create 3 wall segments. Go to the toolbar, click Create Walls button, and create 3 wall segments. Select the first segment and apply a material to it. Just leave the second wall unchanged and apply a color to the third wall. Place a piece of furniture behind each wall segment. Now let's make the walls transparent. Go to the top menu, select 3D view, and go to Modify 3D view. In this section, you can use this transparency slider to adjust the wall visibility. You can make the walls partially transparent or completely invisible. After the changes, just click OK. Just go back to the Modify 3D view window again and try a few different settings. With this setting, you can make your walls completely invisible. Keep in mind that these settings only affect the live 3D view and the low quality render images. To create a render of this view, just go to the top menu and click Create a photo from 3D view button. In this window, just click Create. As you can see, your walls are transparent on this low quality render. If you increase render quality, your walls still appear solid. If you need truly transparent walls on your final render, you can create them as glass objects. The easiest method is to resize a box object and apply a transparent glass material on it. To do this, go to the Furniture catalog, select Miscellaneous, and add the box to your plan. Double-click it with the left mouse button, select Texture, and click this button here. At this point, you have to download a free transparent glass material and import it into Sweet Home. Once it's done, just search for this material, select it, and click OK twice. As the next step, resize this box to match the size of the second wall segment. Next, delete the second wall segment and move the glass box into its place. You can also download and import glass wall objects from free online furniture libraries. Keep in mind that some glass materials appear transparent only in the render image and not in the live 3D view. To check your material in the render images, just go to the toolbar, click Create Render, and in this window, just click Create. As you can see, this glass material is transparent in the 3D view and in the render images as well. Besides full glass walls, you can also add glass inserts into existing walls. To do this, go to the Furniture catalog, select Doors and Windows, and add the service hatch to your plan. Just move it into the wall and resize it. As the next step, copy the glass box you have already created, resize it to the same dimensions, then click OK, and place it inside the wall opening. This resized box method works well for straight walls. For curved and slanted glass walls, you need a different approach. The idea is to export a wall segment as an OBJ file, then re-import it as a furniture object. As the first step, delete these walls. Once it's done, select Create Walls tool and draw a curved wall. Click with the left mouse button, start drawing a wall, and before you click the endpoint of the wall, just hold down the Ctrl key. Now click with the left mouse button and move your mouse to set your desired arc extent. Once it's done, just click with the left mouse button and press Escape. Next, make a copy of this wall, double-click it, and adjust its thickness or other parameters if needed. Then click OK. Now select the wall segment, go to 3D view, and click Export to OBJ format. Set a file name, then click Save. Here, click Export Selection. Now go to the top menu and click Furniture, Import Furniture. Click Choose Model and select the OBJ file. Then click Open. From here, just keep clicking Continue. If you want, you can add this object to your catalog. Then click Continue and click Finish. Now delete the original wall segment. Double-click on the imported one. Select Texture. Click on this button. And select the same imported glass material. Then click OK twice. In this way, you have transformed this curved wall segment into a glass wall. You can also use the original thick wall segment as a baseboard. Just double-click it, reduce its height, and apply a texture on both sides. Then click OK. Now move this wall segment to the same position. You can also move columns inside this glass wall. To do this, go to the Furniture catalog, select Miscellaneous, and add the cylinder to your plan. Once it's done, just resize it to match the dimensions of the wall. Now just drag this column into the wall. If you can move the column inside the wall, this means the magnetism tool in the toolbar is active. Just turn off the magnetism tool or press the Alt key on your keyboard. If you want, you can make some copy of it. To continue learning, check out the next video here. And if you are new, start with the beginner course playlist.